The impossible black holes LIGO just found. 0 o'clock, the signal. On the 23rd of November 2023, scientists working at LIGO Scientific Collaboration detected something extraordinary. A faint signal, tiny, almost lost in the noise. But it was the final echo of one of the most violent events in the universe. Somewhere nearly 7 billion light-years away, two black holes had collided. The crash was so powerful that it sent ripples through the fabric of space-time itself, waves that traveled across the universe before finally reaching Earth. Events like this are not unusual for LIGO, but this one had a problem. The two black holes involved should not exist, according to our current theories point out. 50. The mystery. The signal, later named GW 231,123, revealed something shocking. The collision involved two black holes with masses of roughly 103 and 137 times the mass of the Sun. When they merged, they formed a single monster black hole between 182 and 251 solar masses. At the moment of collision, the event briefly became the most energetic event in the entire observable universe. It released the energy equivalent of 15 suns instantly. But all that energy wasn't released as light. Instead, it traveled through space-time as gravitational waves, and that's how we detected it. 140. Seeing the invisible black holes are notoriously difficult to study. They trap light. They swallow matter. They reveal almost nothing. So how do scientists detect them? The answer lies in one of Albert Einstein's greatest predictions: gravitational waves. Einstein predicted that when massive objects accelerate through space, they create ripples in space-time, similar to waves spreading across water. Normally, these ripples are far too small to measure, but when two black holes spiral together at near the speed of light, the resulting waves can be powerful enough to detect. For just a fraction of a second, 230, the detector. To detect these cosmic ripples, scientists built one of the most precise scientific instruments ever created, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or LIGO. LIGO consists of two enormous detectors located thousands of kilometers apart in the United States. Each detector has two vacuum tunnels stretching 4 kilometers long at right angles. Inside these tunnels, lasers bounce between ultra-polished mirrors. If a gravitational wave passes through Earth, space-time itself stretches and compresses. That tiny distortion slightly changes the distance between the mirrors, and LIGO can measure those changes with incredible precision. In fact, it can detect movements smaller than 1,000th the size of a proton. 345. Einstein proven right. For decades, gravitational waves remained purely theoretical. Even Einstein himself believed they might never be detected. But in 2015, LIGO made history. Scientists observed gravitational waves for the first time, confirming Einstein's prediction after nearly a century. Since then, the LIGO-Virgo collaboration has detected hundreds of black hole mergers across the universe. But the signal from 2023 was different, because it contained something astronomers thought impossible: 445, the mass gap. Astrophysicists have long predicted that black holes should exist within certain mass ranges. Typical stellar black holes form from collapsing stars and weigh between 5 and 50 solar masses. At the other extreme are supermassive black holes with millions or billions of solar masses. But between roughly 50 and 130 solar masses, there should be almost none. This range is known as the black hole mass gap. The reason comes from how massive stars die. When extremely large stars collapse, they undergo violent explosions called Type II supernova. But stars in the mass gap range behave differently. Instead of leaving behind a black hole, they explode so violently that they completely destroy themselves, leaving nothing behind. Which means black holes in this range should be extremely rare, or even impossible. Yet GW 231,123 revealed two of them, 0.6. The mystery deepened when scientists examined another property of the black holes: their spin. Both black holes were rotating incredibly fast, almost at the maximum speed allowed by physics. This created a problem. If black holes grow through repeated mergers, their spins should gradually average out and become slower. But these were spinning near the speed of light, meaning they probably did not form through a long chain of mergers. Something else must have created them. 705. A new theory. Recently, researchers at the Flatiron Institute proposed a new explanation. The key might lie in magnetic fields. Their simulations modeled the collapse of a massive star around 250 times the mass of the Sun.